Hello guys, thank you for taking time to check out my project. So my project is empowering underrepresented groups, and what I'm supposed to do is to work on a set of built-in collections that will be oriented on the focus of empowering underrepresented people in society to easily access and contribute to the tech and open knowledge space. Alright, so let's move to the interesting part.
1% decrease in its area.
Alright, so I just uploaded a study material showing outline of theory, blah blah. Right, and then as you can see here, there are about 5 languages I have handpicked. Right, and then I can move to the next page and ask it to explain or simplify in one sentence. Alright, and then it's going to do just that. Oh, okay, I think it's too much for it to simplify, but I give a nice answer. I'll be happy to simplify and condense the statement. Yeah, and then it translates it for me. Right, so I think I've set a limit to how much of text it can take at a time, but I will work on that, breaking into chunks for it to actually process everything. Alright, so as you can see, it gets a translation based on the language I picked. This is English to Chi, so it does a mini veggie cell. Wow, yeah, that's my language. So that's for the one. So apparently I'm supposed to work on a collection, and this is the second in my week two's toys. Right, so this is a Braille to text feature. Alright, and then I can just type a text, it converts it to Braille. So let's see, Danny or Dante or something. Enter. Okay, so it renders that for you and also processes it into images. So I could actually save the image here. Yep, but that's not so important. The important feature is the integration of a physical element into this. Right, so you see, it's supposed to help blind individuals. Right, so let's take this as an interface where when it's a school system, and then the teacher passes the text into the system, and this is processed and sent to a physical component. And then I was working on that. That was the dot matrix display. Alright, I didn't have a braille pad, so I ordered a dot matrix display. Yes, and that's what I'm using to at least see that it works. So I send the text to my ESP32 server, and then that is processed and represented on the dot matrix display. So that's for the second. Let's move on to the third. Alright, so this is my third project for the JALI build space weekends, nights and weekends. So number 3. So this is for saving notes. So let's say Jacob, and let's just type something random here and save it. Alright, so it says your note is saved. You come to the list of notes available here, and then yes, there you have it. Alright, so we are moving to the next part, which is AI buddy. So the AI buddy, you can actually have a good conversation with it. I can keep the conversation if I like. It's just like you're talking to ChatGPT or something. Alright, so let's try this feature. Go to upload this. Alright, and then I can move through the pages. So I pick page 2. Let's increase the scope to highlight to get more text. Okay, let's take a step back. This is the table of content. Alright, so I can request this in my own native language, and with the audio I can pick which language I want from all this, but the only language I can relate to at the moment is Tree, so I'll pick that. So what is this in one sentence? Okay, and let's see what it gives us. I'll let you hear the output too. Alright, so this document is the rulebook created by the Ghana Institute of Engineers, which will go into effect on April. Okay, there's a translation. Are you ready for the audio? I'm sure you hear it. Let's get closer to the machine. Okay, still thinking. Wow. Gonna take some time. So, okay, our audio file is ready, and then I would like you to hear. So, okay, I'm using my headset. Let me change that to speaker. Okay, hope you can hear it.
Ghana mpanimfoɔ a wɔyɛ nhwehwɛmu no yɛ mmara sɛ wɔmfa ni dwuma na ɛhyɛ ɔforisuo ase. Ɔmampanin George Esandro a ɔyɛ ɔkyerɛfo panin no de wɔn nsa hyɛ ase.
Alright, so that's for my week. No, there's a last project I'll have to show you before I end it. Right, and then as a feature in this one, there's an NSMQ simulator. So let's go. Did I add that? Yeah, I did. It crashed. Damn. I'll work on that too. Alright. So this NSM simulator allows you to select the type of questions you want, math, physics, and then before I'm able to start the session, I have to set up ngrok, and then also put that token in my Google Colab inference model, and then generate audio, so like an API request in and out. I've not done that, but at least you can hear this. This is the NSMQ team. So it plays as it's setting up the questions for you to start the NSMQ. Yeah. Yes, so that's for my number 3. Alright, so this is the homepage for the JALI project. See the waitlist, the blog, agenda. These are the stats of how many projects I've gotten to so far, how many interested members decided to join me, partnerships formed, just this student club, social engagement. Yeah, you can connect with me over here through LinkedIn, Twitter, or you can check my portfolio website. Alright, so checking my blog. I'll be blogging about whatever I've worked on so far over here. Right, and then this is where my FAQ AI assistant. So JALI in one sentence. Go. Yes, and then it did that. JALI empowers developers and creators to build conversational AI applications through. Okay, that's just one of it. It's a whole lot. That's the dream is bigger than that. But yes, it's also wet. So this is number 4. Yes, and before I go, I have to show you a sneak peek of this. I hope I've not closed it. Yes, this. Alright, so this is supposed to have let me say the main page where everything is going to happen. Right, it's to alter conversations. Right now this is showing, but later in after adjustments it won't show. Right, I can also record my audio, and then it would process it and give you an output over here. Alright, so stop recording my audio, and then it will process it and give you an output. You heard me over here. Alright, so my audio. Yes, so we are sure it works. Yes, so well, you can get me here. You can also join the newsletter. There are a whole lot of applications I'm trying to integrate here, trying to render the bureau in my own interface rather than Streamlit. And then, well, here is where the magic will happen. This is where people will be able to add their projects, what they are contributing to on this platform. Yes. So, well, thank you for watching, and then watch out for my week 3 update.